visitor. I don't know why I said that. That was so silly. Look at them. They're just so cute. Alright, Toxman. I want no less than 3 layers.
Nigel Greenwater on the Global Broadcasting Service, broadcasting globally around the globe since 1928. Program to reach to the far corners of the globe to see how they're celebrating the holiday. Inside the boat. Now,
alright. Looks like we are clear to go. So do we goodbye those nice skippers on the dock. Now don't be rude, wave goodbye the naughty ones too. Bye, Skip. Santa knows what she did. Welcome aboard the world famous Jingle Cruise, everyone, where we are world famous for being famous all around the North Pole. My name is Skipper Celeste. I'll be your treat from your popcorn drinker, your secret Santa for the next 12 days, or as far as we get. I like to take the time to remind you once again, please remain fully seated at all times, keeping all hands on feet and legs inside the boat, and please watch your children. Now we begin our journey in the Amazon rainforest. We're on either side of the boat here. You're going to see these are beautiful humbugs. And if you feel any itching, that's just the Feliz Navidad. And this right here on the left, this is Inspiration Falls. Why do we call it Inspiration Falls, you ask? Because the longer you look at it, the more it'll inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Sounds like Christmas spirit if I ever heard it. We're down the Congo River, so let's see how far we can go. Now, but there should be a picnic holiday party in full swing where there's music, dancing, fruitcake, and... Oh, this is so awkward. They must have all gone out for some early holiday shopping. I can't see anyone. Canoe? I think you can see what someone's getting for Christmas. It's an old tree. Aww. And it's all wrapped up with a boa on top. Isn't that so thoughtful? Oh no. My in-laws are in town. And they're breaking all of my things. Oh, on the bright side, I couldn't get my Jeep started this morning. Looks like they got it to turn over. Must have gotten a monkey wrench in their stocking. We're down another famous African river. It's the longest in the world, the Nile River. And it's pretty difficult to navigate this time of year due to the strong Yule tide. Now these elephants up ahead, they have been acting up all year, so they can end up on the naughty list. But needless to say, they're still in denial. Yeah, buddy, we know. And this right here, this is our Jingle Bell Rock formation. You know, a lot of people take it for granted, but I really do think it's one of our more bolder attractions. That's just my sentiments. We're down the African belt where you can see giraffes, zebras, gazelles, chimpalas, some canoes, and look at that. Isn't that just the sweetest thing? That part of Lions invited that zebra over for Christmas dinner. Aww. He looks dead. Tired, dead, tired. We'll just leave him to rest in peace then. Oh, well, now this must be the lost safari group we've been looking for. Now I told them to never, ever, ever try to feed a rhino a fruitcake. But hey, what's a rhino? It looks like they'll get the point in the end. Now straight up in this is a beautiful White Falls. It's named after famous North Pole explorer and founder of the Jingle Navigation Company, Dr. Snow Falls. Yep, that sounds right. Don't worry, we'll be going over that later. Oh no, looks like it's gonna be the coolest one! Everybody the Jingle Cruise? Well, it's plain to see. I took a crash course. And what was the tail end of that story? My career never took off like I thought it would. Alright, hold on to your marbles, folks. We're surrounded by hungry hippos. Should have been more specific on my Christmas list. Now don't let their cute looks deceive you. These creatures are very dangerous. Why, just last week they capsized 6 of our boats. Don't worry, only 5 of them were mine, so you're in good hands. We are now entering Headhunter territory. It's home to some of our favorite holiday characters. We got Dancer, we got Prancer, we got not 1, not 2, but 3 little drummer boys. Oh, so exciting. And above and beyond right there. Oh no, look out, it's Christmas carolers! Don't fail me now! Quick, someone throw it in the finger bucket! Come on, go until they get some! Go until they get some! Alright everyone, now it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's safe on the word of it! The back! Out of order! So beautiful. So refreshing. A true Boxing Day miracle. We are now in the Mekong River in Southeast Asia in Cambodia. I bet we're going to be entering the sacred Cambodian temple. Feel free to keep your eyes open. There are a whole lot of cool things to see in there. I'm afraid of the dark, so I'm going to keep mine closed. So, good luck. Bathing pool. Now, these baby elephants, they are so cute. I asked them what they wanted for Christmas. You know what they said? They said, all I want for Christmas are my 2 trunk teeth. I know, so cute. No, don't you do it. Santa's checking his list. That's right. And he's checking it twice. Oh, pisshead boy. Alright, now you stay down. None of that monkey business. No, get down, and get back, get down. Just kidding. A little bit of dry humor for you. Yeah, a lot of people think that's water coming out of their noses. It's not. Now, right here on the left, this is Trader Samsa. He's the head salesman here in the jungle, but sales have been shrinking lately, so he has a Yuletide special going on right now. 2 of his heads for only 1 of yours. Yep, either way you slice it or dice it, you always come out ahead. Yeah, he especially likes the ones with earrings, so he can jingle all the way home. Now, folks, before we return to civilization, please remember to remain fully seated at all times, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and please watch your children. Alrighty, folks, now we have laughed together. We have cried together. We have very, very nearly died together. So, you know, after a trip like that, there is really only one last thing to say. Get out. I'm trying to decide where's my holiday spirit, please. Get out.